Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to take just the audio from a video and add it to a second video on Canva. The first thing you want to do, once on your Canva dashboard, you're going to select the video that you would like to add the audio to. So let's say, for example, I would like to add the audio to this video. I'm going to select the video. Then from there, you're going to tap on the three dots that says more, and you're going to tap on set video as background. Now, if I were to play this video, you can realize that it does not have any audio. Now, to add audio from another video, all I would need to do after you have uploaded the video, so let's say, for example, I would like to add the audio from this video just for example's sake. So I can tap on it right here and you'll hear the audio.
Welcome, friend.
You can hear the audio right there. Now to do this, all you'll need to do, you're going to minimize the size of the video that you'd like to take the audio from. So you are going to minimize the size by simply pulling on the box. Then from there, you can carry it to the top left-hand corner or the top right-hand corner, anywhere you would like to place it on your video. After you have done that, you're going to go over to the top right-hand corner and you're going to tap on transparency. And you're going to carry the transparency to 0. After you have done that, if we were to tap on play right now, you can see that it is now invisible right there. And we have now taken the audio from the second video and added it to the first video. For example,
Welcome, friend. Welcome, friend.
As you can see right there. And this is the only way to do it at the moment using Canva. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.